Okay, here we are, big day. This is the first night we're spending in our new house.
New Year's Eve.
And
Happy New Year's.
Eve. Happy New Year's.
Yeah, babe.
We let go of our rental and we're committed. We're here. Clearly, we're not finished.
Lots of progress.
But we made a lot of progress, even today. You can kind of see in the corner. We put the uppers, put some hardware in.
Anyways.
I don't get off talking.
New Year's resolution
Anyway,
off the contractor.
this is our first night, big day, and cheers. Happy New Year, babe.
Cheers, babe. Happy New Year's to everybody.
All right, first night in the new house, and
Oh yeah, we lost water.
we had no water.
Just as I was taking a shower.
So basically we had a plumber come and they said that our water tank, our water heater and our water pump were like on their way out. And we were like, oh, we still got some time. Turns out.
Not even the water pump could survive 2020. So we, yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah.
The first day we move in, the water pump just craps out. Right in the middle of Dave's shower.
Yeah, it's great. It's great. I'll leave out the details, but it, you know.
I was like running, gave him like some water bottles. I'm like, I have water in here. Anyway, still moving forward though. We went to the store, bought a bunch of gallons of water, and we have a plumber coming tomorrow.
Yeah, maybe today, we'll see.
Maybe today, but we're gonna keep keeping on. We've got lots of kitchen cabinets to put together.
That's kind of the main priority.
That's the main thing.
Yeah, just getting these finished, and then we call in the quartz or the countertop folks Monday to come do measurements, and we have about a week. And then, yeah, we can do everything else in here. Floors start tomorrow, or Monday. Floors start Monday. So yeah, it's underway. I think our ambitious timeline, you know, it kicked back a couple weeks, but we're gonna make it happen.
Day today. We have cabinet fronts, started putting in some drawers. Let's see, drawers here. I'll show you this nice little soft close action we got there. Lovely. We got our pantry up. And where our double oven's gonna go. We still have to put this panel on the other side. And not much happening over here. But then look at the kitchen island. We're gonna have white cabinets with brass hardware. We just got some shelves on this side because we're gonna have an overhang here with some stools. So, it's coming together. Look at this. It's so cool. All right, good morning. I have a little tea here. About to throw on some music and get to work. Things I've learned. We have a lot of drawers in the kitchen because we thought that that would be the best use of space, which is probably true. But these drawers are so annoying to make. So anyway, here we were supposed to have 3 shelves just like the other one, but you know what? I decided we're only gonna have 2, also because that way we can put taller items in here, like we have a coffee maker or like a food processor or other things like that. We can have that space for it. So here we go, building out more cabinet interiors, also the hardware too, which is also so hard to do. But I love a good challenge. No?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, wow. Look at this.
Hit the light.
Does the light work?
Yeah.
It does? Oh. Oh yeah. It's like a, looks like the Peloton studio. Wow, look at this. I mean, yeah, it's not done, but like, look at that shower head. So cool.
Yeah.
What about this thing? Is this, do we know how to turn this on?
I don't know if it's connected yet. It's probably a breaker.
Oh yeah, no. How do you turn it on? Do you talk to it and then it turns on?
Yes. I think it's set in French right now.
Wow, so exciting. All right, we had a really big win today, actually a few big wins today. One of which is we have a floor, which is incredible, and I think it looks amazing, and now it actually looks like a home. Look at it. It's like a dance studio. And they did it in just like a half a day, basically. They were so quick. All these panels like snap in together. And we also got our double oven installed, although it's not like totally secure yet. We have to screw it on the sides, but it's really starting to come together. I did all of the cabinet fronts here in the dining room. I did all of the cabinets in the island, the kitchen island, which is totally finished. I mean, you know, without the countertop, of course. But we have, I did all of the hardware here too. So here's our little trash with a little inside shelf or drawer. And on this side, we still have a lot of the wrapping on to protect it because we still have some painting and sanding and stuff, but look at all this. So next steps are countertops and finishing the cabinets and the fronts for this section of the kitchen. We have painting to do. We have interior doors to do. We still have some electric work. You know, there's like a million things. But anyway, I'm super happy with the progress this week. And thank you for watching. See you next time.